Hi, I'm Blair Gilbert here from MrHardware.com and Gilbert's Pro Hardware in St. Clair Shores. Here to show you what you can do when you're a brick paver freak and you're trying to hide your air conditioner. And I had my air conditioners, I had some extra bricks, didn't know what to do with them. Just gotta show you quickly. Voila. A quick layout of bricks, camouflage the air conditioner. So there you have it. Quick tip from MrHardware.com. You got too many bricks, got an air conditioner. One thing I got to tell you, my heating cooling guys tell me to do. They tell me make sure that there's a lot of air movement. Do not restrict the airflow into the condenser.